Hello kids, welcome back to our Word Phonics 2. Today we are going to work on the ow and ow sound, which is OU and OW. When making the sounds, we have to combine two vowels together to blend them together to make a sound. That is why we say the OU and the OW will make the ow sound, which is AU. Okay, like this sound is in the American always say the sound when they have the get out. They say house, something like that. So this is the way you pronounce it, like ow, ow. Okay, now to start the lesson, we are going to listen to the track 71. Activity 1.
Activity 1. Listen and repeat. O-U. Ow, ow. 1. Ow, ow. Mouth.
2. Ow, ow, house.
O-W. Ow, ow. 1. Ow, ow. Brown.
2. Ow, ow, cow.
Okay, now listen everybody. Again, we have the mouth, house, house, and let's move to OW, ow, brr, brown, ow, cow. Okay, now let's go to the activity 2. Look at the picture in activity 1 again. Look at this picture in activity 1 again. Trace OU and OW. That is, trace the OU in mouth, trace the OU in house, trace the OW in brown, and trace the OW in cow. Now, activity 3. Which words have the OU and OW sound? Listen and circle. I'm going to play track 72 now.
Activity 3. Which words have the ow sound? Listen and circle. O-U. Ow. Ow. 1. Mouse. Mouse. 2. Couch. Couch.
OW. Ow, ow. 1. Ruler, ruler. 2. Flower, flower.
Okay, now does mouse have the ow sound? Yes or no? Yes. The ow is in mouse. The ow is in mouse, so let's circle mouse. And this is couch. We have the sound ow in couch. You can circle this also. Now let's move to OW. Look at the picture here. This is a ruler. A ruler doesn't have the sound ow. And the flower, we can hear the sound ow. Yes, you're going to circle the flower. Now let's move to activity 4. I'm going to play track 73. Please listen and circle.
Activity 4. What word do you hear? Listen and circle. 1. Now. Now.
2. Spot, spot.
3. Town, town.
4. Pond, pond.
Okay. Do you hear the word now or no in number 1? It says now. This is now. You circled now. And number 2, do you hear the word spout or spot? Spout. You're going to circle spout. As you can see, it also has a house sound. And number 3, we have town and tone. Town, it says town because it also has the house sound. And number 4, we have pound and pond. Pound is the right answer. Open to the next page, page 33. Let's learn a sound that the letter O can make with other letters. What sound do the letter OI make together in points? They make the sound OI. It makes the sound OI, and letter OY make the sound OI. Now, what letter do you see here? It is OI and OY. We can use OI and OY to spell the sound OI. Let's learn some words. Track 75.
Activity 5. Listen and repeat. O-I. Oi. Oi. 1. Oi. Oi. Coin.
2. Oi, oi. Point. O-Y. Oi, oi. 1. Oi, oi. Toys.
2. Oi. Oi. Boy.
Okay, like we've just had now. Number 1 is k, oi, coin. P, oi, s, points. The number OY. Number 1 is t, oi, s, toys. And number 2 is b, oi, boy. Now let's move to activity 6, which says trace and say. Look at the words and pictures in the activity 5. Trace the letter OI and OY. You have to trace this OI in coin. Trace the OI and trace the OI in points. Trace the OY in toys. Also trace the OY in boy. Okay, we are going to the next activity 7. It says, do you hear the word with OI, OY 1 or 2 times? Listen and circle. It means if you hear the word OI twice, you're going to circle twice too. And if you hear it just once, you're going to circle it just once. Okay.
Activity 7. Do you hear the word with oi 1 or 2 times? Listen and circle 1 or 2. 1. Enjoy. Enjoy.
2. Voice, voice.
3. Noise. Noise.
4. Soy, so.
Okay, now the word enjoy has the oi sound. It has the oi sound. Do you hear enjoy 1 or 2 times? 2. Let's circle 2. And number 2 here, we hear the word voice. Do you hear the voice 1 or 2 times? 2 times. You're going to circle 2. And number 3, we have the word noise. Noise. There's a noise in the school. We heard the word twice. You're going to circle twice. And number 4, we have the word soy and so. Soy and so doesn't have the same sound. So it just have soy, which is 1. You're going to circle 1, okay? Let's move to the last activity, 8, and listen to track 77.
Activity 8. Do you hear oi or ow? Listen and circle right. 1. Oyster, oyster.
2. Down, down.
3. Shout, shout.
4. Boil, boil.
Okay, now this place says you have to write whatever you hear. Is it the oi or is it the ow? You're going to write it. Here we have, what's this? We have this as oyster, oyster. We have oy and ou. This oy is oi and this ou is ow. So the answer is oy, oyster. And number 2, we have down. Look at this arrow. It's coming down. We have down. What sound does it have? Does it have the oi or the ow? It has the ow. You're going to write O-W, down. Let's go to 3. We have the word shout, shout. We have the oi and the ow. Which one do you think is going to be the answer? The answer should be ow, shout. And number 4, we have the word boil. Boil, does it have the oi or ow? It has the oi sound. You're going to write the oi. Okay, now before we go today, we have a tongue twister. You are going to repeat after me. A couch and a flower for a mouse in my house. Oysters and toys for boys with coins. Again, repeat. A couch and a flower for a mouse in my house. Oysters and toys for boys with coins. Okay, now you're going to do this homework for me. You're going to write 5 words that has the ow sound. That is the OU and OW. And you're going to also write 5 words with the OI and the OY. That is the OI sound. Okay? Thank you for today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.